Okay, the first topic in this chapter is changing the font type. So I hope you all know how to change the font type. The first step is to change the font type is that we will choose the font editing tab. Where is the font editing tab placed? It is placed on the tools box, which is on the left top. So let me show you how to choose the font style and beautify your text. Can you see my screen? So to open a Word document, first you have to go to the search. Listen to the steps carefully. You have to go to the search, then type a keyword called Word. Then we click the Microsoft Office Word display. Then you have to select it. So once you select, the Microsoft Word document will display. So right now we haven't saved the document, so it displays as document 1. And what is here? The Microsoft Word is called as the application name. So the first one is the file name and the second one is the application name. Now what you're supposed to do, you're going to paste some text from Google. So I'm going to go to the Google. I'm going to select some text. Or I'm just going to put. So we are going to copy this history and the facts of the computer. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to copy this computing basics. So computing basics, I'm just going to place my cursor and then select the text. Now I'm going to give Control C. Now I'm getting back to my Word document. Now I'm going to, what option I'm supposed to give here? I'm supposed to give Control V. Okay? So my text is being copied along with the image. So if I don't want this image, what will I do? I'll cut the image. So the image is gone. So right now I just need the text. I don't want that image. So I am deleting that image from my document. So can you see my text has been copied. So what did I do? I just selected the text and I dragged it using, I used my mouse. So I left click my mouse. I selected the text. I dragged it. Then I gave Control plus C. Then once I came back to my Word document, I gave Control plus V. Okay. Now we are going to see how to beautify the text. Okay. Yes, exactly right. It's Control plus C. Yeah, you're all right. So the chapter name is formatting a document. So we are going to see step by step how to format a document. Okay. So I asked few questions related to the shortcut keys, and how do we select a document. So I am sure you're pretty clear how to select and copy paste the document. So you're very good in that. That's good. So changing the font type. For changing the font type, what you're supposed to do? You have to go to the home tab. Then this is the home tab. The home tab is being displayed here. I'll just show you the home tab. This is called as a home tab. Okay. So you're going to this home tab. See, this is insert tab. You have a page layout tab. You have a reference. You have review. So you have lots of tabs over here. To do the font style settings, you have to go to home tab. So right now I'm just clicking this home tab. In that home tab you have this font settings. Can you see your font settings over here? What is given here? Font. Can you see this font settings, children? Okay. This font setting has different styles of font, different size for setting the font. Then it has also, this font is for increasing your font size, and this small a is to shrink the font. This is to grow your font, and this is to shrink. This is, for example, my font size is 16 means if I click on this big A means it will go to 18, 20. If I don't want too large font means, if I want a small size font means, I'll click on this small A. So this is how we use this font. And we also have bold. Bold is, see, for example, computing basic is in black color, which is very bold, but our body is not in bold. So now we are going to beautify this text. Let us see how we are going to beautify this text. So as I said earlier, you selected the text, then you copied this text. Now I'm going to change the size of the font, because my body text is, this is the heading and this is called as a body. Okay, my body text is very small and I feel which is too small size to visible. So now I'm going to increase my font size. Okay, I'm going to increase my font size. So to increase my font size, what did I do? I just gave Control plus A. If I give Control plus A, all my text gets copied. But I just want to increase only this body part. So I'm going to select only this, and I'm going to go to this option for size, font size. So right now it is in 7. Now I'm going to increase it 12. The standard size for a good visibility of font is size 12, children. And normally, if you have seen your question papers, the size will be in 12 and the heading will be in 14. Okay, so right now I'm going to keep it as 12. Okay, is it visible for you? Can you see my size of the font is changed? First it was in 7, now it is in size. What size it is now? Tell me what size it is now. First it was in 7, now what size it is now? 12. Yes, Jatin, yes, Enoch, yes, right, exactly right. Yes, children, right. Now, I have few blue color in my font, right? See, there are few blue color font and blue text and black text is mixed in this paragraph. I want it to be changed completely into red color. So I don't want yellow or either blue. I want this to be into red color. So what I'm doing, I'm going to this font color option, which is placed in this font tool. Can you see a capital A and there's a bar under A? Can you see that? This is called, this option is used to change your font colors. Okay. Now you have to click that and it displays different colors for you. See, there are lots of colors. So you can choose any one of the color. Now I'm going to choose red color in this. Once I choose red color, this has been changed. Even you can do it like this. You can make this into 2 paragraphs, and the first paragraph can be in red and the second paragraph can be in green. See, when you're typing any text, you can highlight the important points. Okay, you can, if you want to highlight any point, you can use font colors. Okay, now I am going to show you how to change the style of the font. Right now our text is in Georgia. This is the style. Once you click this drop down option, you have different styles of the font, so you can use any font to enlighten your text. So right now the font is Georgia, but I'm keeping it as Times New Roman. Or if I want it to be more beautiful, means I can make it as, see this, how is this font? Or you have font, you have Arial black, you have lots of styles. Okay, let me keep this Berlin Sans. I love this style of font, so I'm going to keep it as Berlin Sans. Okay, see, can you see my first paragraph is being changed, and the second paragraph I'm going to keep it as italic. I'm going to choose option italic from here. Can you see? Looks beautiful, right? So you have option to change your font text size, you have option to change your font style, you have option to change the font colors, the preferred colors you love to change, and even you have option to change it into sentence case, lowercase, uppercase. Let me teach you what is this sentence case, lowercase and uppercase. Uppercase means it is capital letter. Uppercase means all your letters will be in capital. For example, this computing basic is, the first letter is in capital and the rest of the letter is small letters. Now I want all of this computing basics to be in capital. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and click here, and I'm going to choose uppercase. See, look carefully, children. Now the first letter is in uppercase and the rest of the letter are in smaller case, but I want all the letters to be in uppercase, capital letter. So for that you have to choose this uppercase. See, can you see? Now everything has been into capitalized. Now if you want only the first letter to be in capital, normally when we type a text, initially the first word of the first letter will be in capital and the rest of all the letters will be in small. That is called as a sentence case. That option is called as sentence case. So now I'm going to choose the option called sentence case, where the first letter will be in the capital and the rest will be in small. See, the first letter is in capital and the rest will be in small. This is how we start our sentence. If you see the sentence, T is in capital, then HE, the first computer, the rest all are in small. This is called as sentence case. And we have one more option in that, which is called as capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means the first word and the word of the first letter will be capitalized for each and every word. Let me select this first paragraph. Okay, so we are going to select the option called as capitalize each word. Now just see, the first letter over here is in capital and the rest all are in small. When I right now it is in sentence case, but now if I select this option capitalize each word, means look at this paragraph how it's going to change. Look at it carefully. Can you see? For each word the first letter is into capital. For each and every word the first letter is capital. Do you see that? You say what, it's not changing? I didn't get you. Children, did you get it? Are you clear with this font style? Are you clear how to change this font settings? change. Do you have any doubt in changing the font? So we saw how to change the font type using by applying bold, italic and underline. Yeah children, I forgot to show you this underline, okay? And even I forgot to show you the bold also. So right now, so we saw this option, we saw the font style. To change the font style, listen now, everyone listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now to change the font style, you have to drag and select any font which you like. Heading and body is here, okay? Now to change the size of the font, you have lots of numbers over here. You can change it to the number which you prefer. And to change the font color, you have option font color here. You can change any option you want. And you also have option to change the sentence case, or if you want to change the text into uppercase or lowercase. Now, did you see here, what is this? Did you ever see this option? There is one B here, there is one I and U. What is this? B is called as bold. The shortcut key for bold is Control plus. Do anyone know what is the shortcut key for the bold? Control plus. Correct. Control plus B. Exactly. And the shortcut key for italic font is Control plus I. Yes, Aruna, exactly. And underline, shortcut key for underline is Control plus U. Very good, children. So what is underline? Right now let us first bold it, okay? To bold it, now what we'll do, we'll bold this first line. I'm going to bold this first two lines. So I'm going to give Control plus B. See? Now this first two line has been into a thick. It's been bolded. Can you see the difference between the other line and this line? Now we are going to underline this first two. We have bolded, right? Now I'm going to underline it. It is in italic, so the font is in italic and it has been bold. Now I'm going to underline it. So I'm going to click this U. See? It's been underlined. This is how you underline the text. The reason why we underline the text is, for example, for any important points or for a heading, you can use this underline option. So you have bold option, you have italic option. Italic option means to change the font style. You have also an U, which is used for underlining your text. So in today's class, what all we saw how to change the font style using bold, italic and ma'am, I can't see the screen. Why? Everyone can see the screen. Why not you? So we have to go to the home tab. Then we have to go to the font area. Then we can use these different tools which is available in the font area. Then for bold, you have these three options as I said now. B is for bold, I is for italic, then U is for underline. Then okay, this is text alignment. I'll teach you in next class text alignment. So are you clear, children? Are you clear? We will go little bit slow, okay? We'll go very slow, step by step. Last class in word processor we learned, but I know many of you know how to do all this because last video I saw your video. You all did a beautiful assignment in that, where you selected a text, we copied a text and you posted a video on it, and even few of you explained me how to do that also with using a shortcut keys. That was really amazing, children. So formatting a document, you have in this chapter what all we are going to cover is, the first topic is going to be changing the font type, which we saw today. Next topic is going to be changing text alignment. So text alignment means we will see how to align the text, justify the alignment, align it to left or right or center. Okay, we'll see how to align it. Then we will see changing the text color. As I thought about the text color today. Then we will learn how to use line spacing, then paragraph spacing. Then we'll also learn how to print a Word document. I'll teach you how to print a Word document, okay? Then the most important thing I'll teach you is how to create a bulleted and number list. These all we have in this chapter 4. So we'll learn it very slowly so that you will be very well trained how to use a Word document, okay? Yes, Sachin. What's your doubt? Yeah, Sachin?
Ma'am?
Yes, dear?
Ma'am, you can paste the video.
Yes?
Word processor.
Yeah, we can paste a video, but you cannot paste it. You have to have an insert. There is an insert option. So once you click this insert option, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute. Once you go to this insert option, wait. Can you see pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have some clip arts. Then you can paste some art. Video, you can paste it in PPT. But in a Word document, it's not possible to paste a video. But you can paste pictures and clip arts. If you want to paste a video means, see, this is my PPT. I'm going to show you my PPT to you. Can you see? If you go to this insert, you can see a movie over here.
Yes.
You have to click on this and insert the file here.
Okay.
But in a Word document, you can insert only pictures and some clip arts. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the option available? Can you tell me where it is available?
PPT. Word processor.
No, where is that option available to insert the pictures?
Movie.
Movies. In clip art, you can insert drawings, movies, sound, stock photography, illustrator. I haven't used this Word document to insert my movies, but I have used PPT to insert. So next class we'll try how to insert. We'll try to insert a video in clip art. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. So children, are you clear? I hope you all are clear. Aruna, I can't hear. I was talking for a long time, dear. Okay, children, that's the end of the class today. So next class we will see the remaining topics from chapter 4. Please, if you have the textbooks, please keep doing the book back exercise. We don't have time to do the big book back exercise in the online class. So once we are completing each topic, complete your book back exercise simultaneously. Do you understand? I want everyone to complete your book back exercise simultaneously, because we in online class it's very hard for us to do the book back activity also, because we have a very limited time, right? So once you do, who's this Vetrivel in 1973 and Abhinaya? Vetrivel in 1973 and Abhinaya, who's this? Aruna, I think there's some network issues in your house. You have to check with your network. Can someone tell me who's this